Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options, and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.